Welcome back to another educational content on the channel. Okay, so we are back again. This is episode 2 of the smart money or the ICT trading strategy that we're trying to document on the channel. Okay, so the earlier video I dropped was about market structure. Okay, and we talk about the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, so I explained that if the market is not bullish, it is bearish or it's consolidating. Okay, so those are the three phases that the market goes through. All right, so if you haven't watched that video, go watch that video. Okay, we are going step by step. Okay, from episode 1, episode 2, episode 3, explaining everything in smart money. Then we add them together, then we find the strategy that is used to trade it. Okay, all on this channel. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel, and I think this will help the video to get to more people. All right, so today's video we're going to talk about market structure, break of structure and change of character, how it happens and how to trade it and how to identify it. Okay, when it happens, how to identify it when it happens. Okay, so after watching the market structure videos and being able to identify the structure the market is in, the next thing that you have to start pointing out or identifying is the break of structure or the change of characters inside. Okay, so I've already explained everything about market structure in my earlier video, so I'm not gonna go ahead and go back. Go watch that video. We are going straight ahead. Okay, so you can see this is a previous high. I want your full attention. I want your full attention here, because I don't want us to finish and somebody will be like, I don't understand, like Mintias. No, you can see this was a previous low, previous high, previous low, previous high. Okay, so these are the higher highs, higher lows. Okay, and anytime price push from a low to the upside, you see it's breaking the previous high. All right, so anytime price push from here to the upside, it break this previous high here. Okay, so it push the downside here, respecting the lows. Okay, it's not breaking the lows. Push from here to the upside, break this previous high. Okay, so anytime we say price is pushing and breaking the highs, we call it break of structure. Okay, it has broken the structure. Okay, this was the previous structure here, high, low. Okay, and there was a push from this low to the upside, broke this previous high. So that's what we call break of structure. That's what you see here, BOS. Okay, so anytime you see somebody whether a smart money trader or maybe ICT trader, you see a BOS on his chart, that means break of structure. That means price has been able to break this structure here. This high has been broken. Okay, so that is it. And if a high has been broken, that means a new high is going to be formed. Okay, if a new high formed, then obviously there is actually a new low which is going to be formed, and then a buy opportunity for people to get in. Okay, so we're going to talk about if there is a break of structure, what forms for price to get down for an entry. Okay, we'll document that one in that episode. All right, but today is BOS and change of character. Okay, so from here we'll be going to our live example or maybe the chart example. Then we see how it happens on the live chart and how to trade them. Okay, so you can see here too there was a push from here to the high, break this high here. That's the break of structure here, push to the downside. Okay, the other video that I dropped about market structure, I told you anytime price is pushing to the upside, there shouldn't be any break of the low. Okay, you can see this side is the lows, higher low, higher low. Okay, there shouldn't be a break of the low. Okay, and if anytime there's a break of the low, this thing has happened, change of character. Okay, you can see this side, there's a push from here to the upside, break this structure here, push from there to the downside. Now everybody will be expecting for a push from here to break this previous high here and create another break of structure. Okay, and if that doesn't happen and price push to this here, you can see, and price push from here, creating a low, higher high, higher low. You see, it was supposed to push from here, break these highs like the way it was doing here. It didn't do that, but it push up, created a low, it pushed to the downside and break the low. Okay, I told you we are not expecting these lows to be breaking. Anytime price breaks a low, that's where we are saying there is a change of character. Okay, the price action trend is about to change. You can see price push down, change character by breaking the low here. Okay, so anytime price breaks a low in the market, we are expecting for a trend reversal. Put this in your mind. Okay, this is important. I want your full attention here. I don't want to finish everything and somebody be like, don't understand, bro. I mean, no. You can see anytime price push, breaking the highs, we are saying it is an uptrend. Breaking structure is an uptrend. Okay, and anytime it push, it didn't break the previous high, but it creates a low, and the low push down to break the previous low. That is change of character. You can see price push from here to the downside, break this low here, and change character. Now, if there is a low, price has to push up to create a high. Okay, that's how price move. It push up down, create a low, push up, create a high, then it push down to break the previous low. The same break of structure has happened. Okay, so in a downtrend, we say price is respecting the highs but breaking the lows. All right, and then in an uptrend, price is respecting the lows but breaking the highs. Okay, put this in your mind. In an uptrend, price is respecting the lows by not breaking the lows but breaking the highs. Okay, and in a downtrend, price is respecting the highs by not breaking the highs but breaking the lows. All right, so there's a break of this low, break of structure happening here. There's a push to the upside to gather more energy or strength, and then there's a push to the downside, momentum push to the downside. Okay, breaking this low here. So that is how it is. Anytime price keep on breaking its previous low, we say there's a break of structure. But when it push from there to break high, so you can see this side, for example, if this price from here, we are expecting a push up before it push to the downside. Okay, so if the price push from here straight to break this previous high here, like this, let me tell you, maybe like this, break this previous high here, the price push from here, break this previous high here, then we say change of character here has happened here. Okay, and then it's going to be like this, then also push to the upside. All right, so that is how price move. Okay, let's go to real example on the chart and let me show you. Maybe okay, so we are on USJPY and I'm trying to, let's try and use this one for example and then show you guys how it is. As you can see, we already talk about the break of structure with GBP USD. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you real quick, go through the break of structure again real quick here, then we look at the change of character, maybe whether we can find change of character. Okay, so now this is the chart of USJPY. Let's try and whether we can find some setup around the side. Okay, so this is how to identify maybe whether there's a change of character or break of structure. You can see there's a push from here to the outside, push to the downside, push from here to the upside, push to the downside. Okay, so this was the low which has been broken. This is the break of structure here. Okay, so price broke this structure, push to the downside here, created a new low, push to the upside here, push from here to the downside, break this new low. There's another break of structure here. Okay, so it's another break of structure here. Now, when that happened, this is a new low, push up, push to the downside, break this low, break this old low. That's the break of structure has also happened here. Okay, so that means break of structure has also happened here. All right, so this was the previous high that led to this break of structure. Okay, so under no circumstance should this high be broken. If this high get broken, that's why we say change of character has happened. And you can see this, high here has been broken. You can see we're expecting price to push from there, push from the new low to maybe somewhere around here and push the downside. Okay, so I drop a video about market structure. You can go check out. You can see this was the high, this was the new low. So last I said, anything happening inside this side, inside this zone, is what we call internal structure. Okay, anything happening inside this zone is called internal structure. There hasn't been any break. We are in a downtrend, so anything happening here is in a downtrend internal structure. When price is managed to break the previous high That's where we say trend has changed. Okay, break, change of character has happened. You can see price push from here, push to down to the upside, break this high here. So you say change of character has happened. And if change of character happened, then we continue the break of structure also to the upside. So change of character happened here. So this side was a change of character. Let me name change of character here. As you can see, there was a push from here to the downside. We're expecting price to push inside this zone and break this low. There hasn't been any low breaking. It didn't break this low. Push down a little, break the highs. Okay, so if this high has been taken out, then we say change of character has happened. Then we are moving from the downtrend to the uptrend, and you can see there's an uptrend movement. And when this change of character happen, now this is our new high price has created. Okay, price push from here, break this high here, this high, break this high, break the structure. Okay, this high was the cause of the change of character. So this is our new high, and this is our new low. Okay, price push from here to the downside. This is our new low, and this is our previous low. This is our new low. Okay, so anytime price push from here to break this structure here, that called change of character, we say break of structure also. Sorry, yeah, break of structure has happened again here. So this is a bullish break of structure. Okay, now we are continuing the break of structure again. Okay, break of structure happened here, price push to the downside. This is a new low, this is a new high. There's a push from the low to the high, break this high here. So you say break of structure also has happened here. Let me do it like this. Okay, so that is how it is. You can see this one too. You can also say there's a push from, this is a new high here, push from here to the downside, and now push from there. There's another break of structure also here that has happened. Okay, so the takeaway here is anytime there's a break of structure, there's a trend continuation. Okay, the takeaway here is anytime there's a break of structure, there's a trend continuation, and anytime there's a change of character, there's a trend reversal. Okay, anytime there's a break of structure, there is a trend continuation, break of structure, trend continuation, break of structure, trend continuation. But anytime there's a change of character, that is where there's a trend reversal. Okay, so that is how break of structure and change of character is in the market. Okay, the next video we are going to be dropping, we are going to go more details about how to trade it. Anytime there's a break of structure, anytime break of structure happens, how do you trade it? Okay, subscribe to the channel, support by subscribing to the channel so that this video can get to more people. Okay, so this is episode 2. The next episode will be dropping. So the name is Hans Clinton, as you already know. This forex crypto stocks ideas about how to trade it. Okay, so yeah, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. You can join my Telegram link. I'll put it in the description, and stay safe. I'll see you in the next episode.